हेलो व्यूअर्स, दिस इज़ हिमांशु शेखर। आज आपके लिए कुछ सवाल लेके आया हूँ फिज़िकल एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड। हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो प्रिंसिपल्स एंड हिस्ट्री ऑफ फिज़िकल एजुकेशन है। सो उसी के रिलेटेड आज हम यहाँ कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। सो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, in the study of biological basis of physical education, the two important aspects that constantly remain under sharp focus are uh, and the two important aspects that constantly remain under sharp focus are the physical activity as a growth promoter, and gender and age characteristics. So here the right answer is B. A second and third one is the right answer. The next question is, as an academic and research discipline, physical education receives an unstinted strong support from, and the answer is principles of life, mind and social sciences. This is the right answer. The next question is, which of the following movement concept is totally irrelevant to physical education? And the right answer is education of movement. The next question is, in learning history, following learning geography and learning tennis after learning badminton, the transfer effect is generally uh, the transfer effect is generally positive. The next question is, using the codes given below, pinpoint the two activities with which Ken H. Cooper's name is very closely associated. His name is associated with fitness movement and aerobics. Here the right answer is A. The next question is, a philosopher who strives to know truth, beauty, and goodness in life and nature in their varied form is an, and the answer is idealist. The next question is, which of the following philosophies is also known as materialism? Our answer is naturalism is the right answer. Naturalism is also known as materialism. The next question is, using the codes given below, mark the subjects that do not form the theoretical content of physical education. That do not form the theoretical content of physical education. The first one is anthropology, sports marketing, and information technology. Here the right answer is D. Anthropology, sports marketing, and information technology. The next question is, immediately after fertilization by a spermatozoon, and ovum transforms into a zygote. The next question is, in the integration of man, the contributive triumvirate comprises of, and the answer is body, mind, and spirit. This is the right answer. The next question is the resultant of neuromuscular development objectives of physical education is, and the answer is control over body's mechanism is the right answer. The next one is in the national plan of physical education and recreation, the definitive and specific objective of physical education refer to development of, the answer is organic fitness, neuromuscular skills, and character and personality. This is the right answer. The next question is put the following in a hierarchy that is in descending order. So here the answer is the first one is aim, descending order, aim, objectives, goals, and outcomes. Aims, objectives, goals, and outcomes. So here is the right answer is A. First one in the deciding order, the aim and then objective, then goals, and then outcomes. The next question is the social development objective of physical education put at most emphasis on social adjustment. C is the right answer. The next question, during evolutionary period, which of the following factors literally played little part in assisting transition from ape to man? The answer is natural selection. So the question is using the codes given below indicate the reflex activities essential for human survival. ह्यूमन सर्वाइवल के लिए कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ ज़रूरी हैं इनमें से, एंड द आंसर इज रेस्पिरेशन, हार्ट बीट, sneezing, and knee jerk. These are the reflex activities that are essential for our human survival. The next question is a precursor of National Sports Policy 1984. The National Plan of Physical Education and Recreation was published in the year, and the answer is 1956. And the next question is using the codes given below, pin out the items that are no part of health education. The answer is genetics, accident prevention, and fitness tools. Genetics, accident prevention, and fitness tool. So here C is the right answer. The next question, in sports science and medicine, recreation is a term sometimes used synonymously with leisure. The next question, the recreation movement had its origin in the United States during the 19th century due chiefly to rapid urbanization and industrialization. This is the right answer. The next question is, while Plato is widely known to be an idealist to the core, Aristotle was out and out a humanist. The answer is humanist. The next question is, which of the following philosophies attempts to cogently answer the question what ought to be, whether in life, education, and or support? Not support. The answer is idealism. The next question is, using the codes given below, pinpoint the celebrities who followed naturalism. J.J. Rousseau, Jean Jacques Rousseau, Herbert Spencer, John Henrik Pestalozzi, and Mahatma Gandhi. Here, this is the right answer. The next question is, which of the following agencies was responsible for formulating a national plan of physical education 1956? Which of the following agencies was responsible for formulating a national plan of physical education 1956? And the answer is Central Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreation. The next question is, the ancient most philosophy of idealism prompts man to seek, and the answer is truth, beauty, and goodness. See, is the right answer. The next question is, using the codes given below, earmark the two strong pillars of man's social life. The two strong pillars of social life are competition and cooperation. B is the right answer. The next question, with reference to play, the term catharsis used by Aristotle virtually means, and the answer is releasing pent up emotions. The next question is, Ivan Pavlov, a Russian, was primarily a physiologist, but he sprang one of the biggest surprise in psychology in the form of, and the answer is classical conditioning theory. The next question is, using the codes given below, mark the criteria of physical education as a profession or as a profession. And the answer is innovation and research, practical application, a strong theoretical base, and practical application. And the answer is D. The next question is, if interested in developing slender, thinner, and longer muscles, you must engage in aerobic exercises. So viewers, these are all the questions for today's session. uh, do subscribe, like and share this video, and especially press the bell icon when while you are subscribing this channel.